For a balanced salad with lots of important vitamins and minerals, let's make a roasted beet and orange salad. You'll need red beets, olive oil, salt, capers, mint, parsley, red wine vinegar, olive oil, celery hearts, boiled eggs, oranges, hearts of romaine, and goat's milk cheese. Preheat the oven to 375. Wash the beets, then toss them with olive oil and season them with salt. Place them in a casserole dish and add 3 cups of water. Cover and bake for 45 minutes to 1 hour and then let them cool slightly. Peel off the skin and cut the beets into wedges. Mix the eggs, mint, capers, celery, and parsley in a large bowl with olive oil and red wine vinegar. Wash and chop the romaine. Mix the romaine and oranges into the bowl with the other ingredients. Top with the goat cheese and roasted beets.